Welcome. Today in front of me Google Pixel 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should open the Play Store, and here in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application installing. Now just open the app. Here click enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher. Here click OK, again OK. Now just go back and tap into the switch input methods and switch your keyboard to English United States keyboard, and that's finished, as can you see. And now we'll just go for example here to the message application, and we'll start. As can you see, here we get our new keyboard, and this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all the emojis. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.